Once you enter the gates of Opus One Winery, you're going to be impressed. The state is grandiose, breathtaking, and architecturally fascinating.
Right, so we're in a state, we're a traditional estate winery. Yeah, but we try to get 25,000 cases per year from what we have here. For example, 2012, which we're going to have today, was the best year probably ever in the Napa Valley.
Really?
The weather was perfect. The wine was just made itself. It was effortless.
Their surrounding vineyards are expansive.
We have to utilize those windmills, circulate the hot air to prevent frost in the morning.
And what made their wine different from others?
Clean, yay! It's very clean, and it's also temperature controlled, which is nice. We can control the fermentation process.
The state is definitely a work of art, and their wines are the perfect composition. Come and visit!